Welcome to my Cartagena, Colombia vlog. I recently had the pleasure of visiting Cartagena and I'm so excited to share my experiences with you. This city truly has it all, from its rich cultural heritage and stunning architecture to its lively nightlife and friendly locals. During my trip, I made sure to fully immerse myself in everything Cartagena had to offer, and let me tell you, it was such an amazing, incredible experience. In this vlog, I'll be showing you all the must-see sites and best things to do in Cartagena. So sit back and join me on this amazing adventure. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to follow along on all my future travels. Good morning. So we are off to Colombia. So excited. I'm currently in New York, but we'll be in Colombia very soon and I can't wait to take you along with me. Stay tuned. Let's go. I caught a flight from Toronto to Cartagena via American Airlines, had a really long layover in New York, but we finally got to Cartagena after about 5 hours. For my stay in Cartagena, I checked into the luxurious Hotel Casa Lola. With its elegant decor and modern amenities, this hotel truly exceeded all my expectations. The spacious rooms and breathtaking views of the city made for the perfect base for my Cartagena adventures. Welcome to Colombia! Hey guys, so we are in Colombia. Yes, I got my makeup done and I'm ready for a 7-day trip in Colombia. This hotel we're staying is stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous and I'm loving it. It's giving me medieval Spanish vibe and I'm here for it. I couldn't stop admiring the beauty of the hotel, but then I was ready for the first activity, which was dinner at the hotel. Time for dinner. Dinner was at the hotel's restaurant Dona Lola. The food was absolutely delicious and the atmosphere was chic and inviting. The menu offered a variety of traditional Colombian dishes with a modern twist. I really enjoyed it. We spent the rest of the night getting to know each other, as this was a group trip with total strangers. As the organizer, I wanted everyone to feel very comfortable, but it was amazing to see how quickly we all bonded and formed new friendships. The night ended with a really cool musical performance, the perfect end to day one in Colombia. Welcome to day 2 in Cartagena. The day was for exploring the colorful streets of Cartagena. We had a tour guide show us around and tell us about the history of Cartagena. It was such a lovely day. Good morning from Cartagena. It's first day in Cartagena and we're doing a tour of the city. It's so beautiful, you guys. There's so much colors, vibrancy. I'm in love. This is my second time here and I'm still as in love as I was when I first came here. So I'm excited.
Three people.
Say hello.
I say hello.
What's your name?
My name is Jason.
Jason.
Pero en español sería Jason.
Shortly after, we found the colorful women who have really become the symbol of Cartagena. They are called palenqueras. Danced and laughed with them and it was so much fun. Just make sure to have your money ready as you can't take photos with them without paying. I recommend about 10,000 pesos, which is about $2 US. We are at a place called Cande Restaurant. It is so beautiful. This is our first or second restaurant in Cartagena, so I heard too much about it and definitely had to come, but loving the ambience, the service is looking amazing. Let's see what the food is tasting like. Let's see, I'm gonna tell you guys if it's J.I. Hi! Yeah. After touring the city, we were hungry and we went to the highly recommended Cande restaurant. I had a really nice cocktail, a crab dish and some meat. The ambience was beautiful, but let me tell you, the deliciousness of the food and the great service was really the star of the show. I highly recommend adding this place to your Cartagena bucket list. It's been a wonderful day so far and
we've had so much fun. We did a photo tour in the morning and we went to this restaurant called Candy Restaurant. And now we're gonna go freshen up and then go party. It's her birthday also, so happy birthday. So yeah, we're off to the hotel and
Cartagena is not complete without exploring its beautiful nightlife, so we went to this rooftop bar called Terraza Bar. It had an incredible view of the city and was such a vibe.
you don't cast last. I can say bye bye you to the love of my life, my ayu. Good morning. Today is a new day in Cartagena and we are doing a market tour and then a cooking class. So we are currently in a very chaotic market.
We came to this market called Las Bovedas to do a market tour and pick up fresh ingredients for our cooking class. I tried lots of Colombian fruits. The market reminded me so much of home.
Trying out different fruits from Colombia. This one, what is it called? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Lulo. So this is called Lulo. It's sour, but I like it. It's really nice. Checking in with you guys. So currently waiting to start our cooking class. We're gonna be doing a full course cooking class currently in a place called Lunatico Studio. Found it and absolutely fell in love with it and the concept. So we're here doing a cooking class. Just waiting a couple more minutes before we begin, but they gave us this really tasty welcome drink. I'm not sure what it's made of. Maria, what's in this? What's in here?
It's a sugar before it's processed.
Okay.
Normally sugar cane are sticks. Those sticks we press and there is water that comes out. That water we boil and we make a caramel. And it's this.
Tastes so good.
Panela. Yum. And here we have panela, lime juice and soda. Normally with water, that's why it's called agua de panela. But I like to put soda just to have like the sparkling taste. The Colombian Red Bull. And where are my other peppers?
This cooking class at the Lunatico Studio was so much fun. I think that food is one of the best ways to get to know the culture of a place, so I recommend doing a cooking class when you travel. Our instructor Maria is a very talented chef who had a culinary school in Spain. She taught us so many cool techniques. We made some authentic Colombian dishes including a ceviche, brown coconut rice, avocado ají, and a tomato soup. This was such a good experience and the food tasted amazing. After the cooking class, I went to the rooftop of our hotel to enjoy the views and a mojito, just in time for salsa class.
From 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, back. 1, 2, 3. Finish with applause. Finish with applause.
All right.
Salsa class was so much fun. Our instructor taught us some Spanish slangs and then we had dinner at Casa del Tonel and called it a night. Welcome to day 4. We made our way from Cartagena to Volcán Totumo. It is about 1 hour away and a bucket list experience in Colombia. Guys, we are at Volcán Totumo. Paid 25,000 pesos to get in, but there's this stairs that you have to walk up through, so yeah, let's see. Volcán Totumo is a unique mud volcano and a must visit for anyone traveling to the area. Not only is the mud said to have healing properties, but it's also a lot of fun to experience. We spent the afternoon relaxing in the warm mud and enjoying the natural beauty of the surrounding area. It was definitely a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Make sure to bring enough cash and change as you will need it to tip a lot here. Good evening. Today's been a really cool day. Started off going to Volcán Totumo, and I'll try to insert some clips somewhere in this video. But we went to Volcán Totumo and it was so great, just so relaxing. And then now headed to El Quemico. I think it's a really nice bar. I'm wearing my swimsuit as a bodysuit, which was very accidental because I had nothing to wear and I'm like, what can I do? So this is what I'm wearing with white pants, and voila. I'm hoping to have a really good night. I'll see if I can vlog anything. Bye! So the rooftop at El Quemico was closed, so we came to a spot called Mirador instead. I really enjoyed the laid-back nature of this place and it had a lot of locals too. The food and drinks tasted so good. Welcome to day 5. I started the day with breakfast at the hotel and the restaurant is so beautiful. Shortly after, I got ready to leave for a quick shopping moment before returning to the hotel to check out. Yes, we switched hotels on day 5 to a beachfront property on the other side of town. But first, let's go shopping. I typically don't like shopping abroad except I can find unique items I can't access at home in Canada. However, if there's any city to do some shopping, it would be Cartagena. I was so impressed by the quality and price of some of the handcrafted goods I found. If you want to find the best shops in Cartagena for handcrafted items, head to Centro Historico. There are lots of shops with some really cute items. Just make sure to compare prices and negotiate, but honestly, I didn't negotiate too much because the price was already so good. After shopping, I spent the rest of the time walking around, taking photos, and just exploring before heading back to the hotel. Good morning. We are leaving the hotel today. After checking out, we made our way to Alma Restaurant, another highly recommended restaurant in Cartagena. The ambience was simply amazing.
Diabolin. So popular here is are prepared with yuca and cheese.
Cheers.
amigos. So just checked into Radisson Cartagena just for a different vibe. You know, the other place was in Gethsemane, so it was more like old town Cartagena, vibrant. This is more like modern, definitely giving Miami vibes, which I'm absolutely loving. So I thought we'll stay here for our last couple days in Cartagena. I'm loving it. This is a beautiful, beautiful suite of the day. Outfit of the day. We are doing a boat tour today. We're going to the islands of Cholon and Baru. So yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Welcome to day 6 in Cartagena. Today was for island hopping, so we came to the port called Club Nautico Manga to catch our boat from Cartagena to Isla Baru. I love being so close to water, so I love being here and seeing how the water transformed to a very clear blue as we left Cartagena and approached Isla Baru.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheers!
Y nos perdemos por completo. Y si nos olvidamos de que todo es un secreto.
Being on the boat and seeing the clear waters was so amazing, but then we got hungry, so we came to a private beach club called Power for lunch and drinks. The food and service was great and it was such a beautiful way to spend the afternoon. We ended up dancing, having a good time, and in general it was just such a great way to spend the day, and the views of this place, simply incredible. After lunch, we went to Playa Blanca, relaxed on the beach for a few hours, and then it was time to head back to Cartagena for our final night on this trip. We got to Cartagena 1 hour after, had dinner, and went to bed. Cartagena has been so delightful. Can't believe the trip is over. Welcome to day 7 in Cartagena, the last day in this beautiful city. I had a late afternoon flight, so I wasn't in that much of a hurry. It started off with a much needed spa day, which cost me only $40, and then I still had some time to spare, so I went to the beach to relax for a bit. And then it was time to go to the airport. We said our goodbyes and the trip was officially over. Hey guys, so Cartagena is over. I'm so grateful for the gift of travel, and this Cartagena trip was one for the books. Got to fly back to Toronto and it was so incredibly peaceful. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see all my travel adventures this year and beyond.